So when you think about it, a lot of the customers essentially try to look at how they can migrate to Azure.
Yeah.
Right? But they also need help.
Yes.
Right? They don't want to do it themselves. Hopefully, they will not want to have partners helping them. They also want to have readiness going on. They also want probably have funding, maybe from Microsoft investment as well, right? And it's part of the whole process as well as the best practices.
All right. Let's get started.
Yeah. So we're looking at a single migration approach for customers to help them move from their on-prem to Azure. And we come up with this Azure Migration Program that essentially package everything that customer wants.
Okay.
Right. So let me go through real quick what it is.
Please.
So we will have obviously the best practices guidance based on the experience that we already have. Right. We also offer funding, credits, and stuff like that. Partners is part of this migration project as well. And we're also going to help them PM the project or project manage the project so that they don't have to. Right. And we'll take care of the technical skill building as well to make sure that, hey, customers not only after they migrate, they also can operate and manage this on an ongoing basis, right? So it's very, very comprehensive program. We call it Azure Migration Program, and it's available today. Customer needs to go to azure.com/AMP, and then they can nominate themselves as part of this, and we'll take care of the rest.
So this has been implemented in real world and for real customers so far?
Yeah. So let me share with you one customer here.
Yeah.
So it's not very far from Canada, CIBC, right? As you know that most of the transformation in the company will take years to happen. And part of the transformation is actually moving their assets that's on-prem to the cloud. And it's a journey, right? Yeah. So this customer here, CIBC, is obviously doing a lot of the mission critical things in the environment here.
They're a bank?
Yeah, they're a bank. And then they're essentially trying to, migrate this in the phases, in multiple phases. Yeah. And then with the best practices that we give them, with the tooling, with the specialized partners, actually they can help their needs. And they're still undergoing this journey, right? But so far they're very happy with the progress and they're moving in phases in different VMs, different databases over to Azure.
I see. So can you please talk more about, so basically this has also been done at lots of other customer locations all over?
Yes, AMP is available in many, many countries today. Yeah. So if you're US, obviously you're part of it. Yeah. Canada, as in this customer.
I see.
Australia, UK, Germany, and we just opened up for Latin America as well.
Oh, Latin America as well?
Yeah.
That's great coverage all over. So what are some of the best practices that you've seen, for this?
Yeah, so we collected, based on our experience of moving customers, because every customer has somewhat different scenarios.
Right.
They have their own way of doing their own infrastructure. We found those things, and then we collected those things, we consolidate everything, and we come up with what we call a cloud adoption framework, right? This is for every AMP customer. We're going to help them going through this framework. Yeah. Essentially what this framework is to help them not only from the planning portion, to manage, to get them ready, and then after they deploy, they're also going to be able to govern this thing as well. Governance is a very big key thing in the best practice in here. Yeah. So we have this thing up in the public website already, Cloud Adoption Framework. Customer can obviously do this themselves, but if they want Microsoft to come and help them through the migration, we will make sure that they understand this framework.
I see. Yeah. So CAF and AMP program, both of those programs.
Yeah,
where can customers go
together
to find more information about both of those in single place? Or?
Yeah. So if you go to azure.com, the very front page will have this information ready for you.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. This is one of the biggest drive that we have from Microsoft to help customers move to the cloud.
I see. So any other concluding thoughts from your side?
So what I want customers to do is, nominate yourself as a customer to azure.com/amp. Yeah. And you can start the process, and we'll take care of it from the back-end portion.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ramadi, for those great information.
Yes, thank you very much for inviting me, Sanjay.